Lock opening, take 1. Untouched. Step 1. After observing the package and how it was put together, first, pry off the keys, which you can do by hand. Put a key down. Second, insert a key into any one of the 3 locks. Then, slide the key or lock out of the opening. Retrieve key, repeat the process till all locks have exited the package. I'm going to keep doing this real time. Just going to go ahead and open up all the locks at once. Now that you get the picture. Now all locks are out. Tooless design. Somebody really engineered that well. Yep, I'm pretty shocked at what took place over this lock containment system. And you know, the weird thing is that was just me looking at it and deciding how I thought I could get it off. But for whatever reason, the package actually tells you to use scissors and stuff, so it's just not necessary. You don't actually need tools. If you're strong enough to just pry the key off, which is very easy, less than 10 pounds will get you there, then you can get it done toolless. And I just wanted to show for future reference, because you can go overboard with trying to get these locks out, because packaging these days, it is ridiculous.